What is going on today, folks? It is April 19th, 2026. Let's see what we got in store for us today. Refreshing the page here. For some reason, this reminds me of some sort of like old school platformer game. Okay, let's get the environment set up. We are going to do that, and then we are going to get rid of these and place this green color in the back. Um, Initial thoughts are like linear gradient and conic gradients and radial gradients. That's how I see doing this. But is there another way? Is there another way? I don't know. Okay, so two radial gradients. So here's my thought process. So conic gradient for this, and then another one for this. So that's two gradients here, conic gradients, and then one radial gradient here. You know, and then another over here, and then this be some sort of linear gradient, if you guys can see it from top to bottom, or even yeah, like this, and then that just duplicates over and over again. However, I mean that becomes one, two, three, four, five gradients. I could do box shadow for these, and then that would make it the box shadow and three gradients, one, two, three. But what if I have just an item here and an item here, and then I just kind of change the borders and add a border radius, and then two. Okay, I'm gonna start. What time? We got 2 minutes down. Okay, let's do. I'm gonna try something funny. We'll do margin 50, background black, and then I'm gonna try to put this just at the top square. So 20, 25 maybe. Beautiful. Top right, I don't know, 150. 25, 50. Okay, we'll go 60. Whoa, 60, 90, 100. 100, okay. Bottom, let's go 200. Oh, 205 maybe? Okay. Now that 150 goes to maybe go 190. No, let's go 220. 530. Okay, we have that. I'm gonna put the background as this, and I'm gonna do a box shadow of 100px, 100px, this color. So now let's push this over. So maybe 150, no, 140, 130. And this one will be 150, 170, 180. We got that. And I'm thinking here, I can have the two radial gradients at the bottom. We'll do transparent. First of all, 1Q, transparent. For transparent will be 75 to 90, so that's 15. 15px. And then we'll go yellow. For how many px? This is going to be 90 to 30 pixels. So 1545 px, 0. Followed by transparent once again. Okay, that doesn't seem right. Does it seem right? 75, 90. I'm confused. Okay. 275, 10 pixels, 15 pixels. What? 30? No. 20? I don't know. Anyway, we'll move it. 100px. That's too much. And I'm gonna push it negative 50px. No. 30, 40, 35, 100 is too much. We'll go 90, 70. Okay, so it just needs to be a little bit bigger here. 45 we'll go 50. Beautiful. Okay, and then I could do R for you know what? Let me just skip that for now. And then I will do another one here, but this time we'll go. It's gonna be the opposite. So 70 will go minus 70, and then 35 will go plus 35. How are we looking? Oh, fantastic. And then now I'm going to do a linear gradient, and this one is going to be, we're going to go, I think we established 30 pixels, so we'll go yellow, 30px, followed by transparent, 4, 95 to 135, so 30, I don't know, 40 pixels, 70px. Well, 0 first. And then this one, I'm going to do it so that it's 70. Okay. We'll go from here. Where does this kind of start? This so 125 to 275, 150, 150px. And then it's going to go 150px plus, and then 70px tall. Oh, that's the positioning. Let's go 0. But not 0. It's going to be 10px. 0 right and left, it doesn't matter. And then 50px up and down, no. 50px will go 60, 70, 65. Fantastic. But here, now we're just going to go no repeat. Okay. Oh, shoot, I needed to repeat. Oh, boy. I needed to repeat twice in a particular window. Do I change the approach for this? Let me see this for a second. Margin 50px. I don't need the px. Background. Okay, and then let's do 50. We'll go 65 for the top and bottom, and then right and left we have, I don't know, 100, 110, 120, 125. Okay, I think that's what I'm trying to do. Okay, 125, and then here instead of, just take this, add it here. But this is going to be, yeah, it's gonna, so if I take up and down 65, 0, okay. But it should be, instead of transparent, it should be this color. There we go. Now adjust those, the top. So these are, okay. Do I add a conic gradient now? do I add a conic gradient now? This is the question. Okay. I'm gonna have to add two. Do I really want to add a conic gradient? Is that really the best way? Conic gradient, we'll go with this square is, we'll go 100 to 170, and then 25 to 95. Okay, 70 pixels. Okay. This color, we'll go transparent, 75%, 0, and then just do at 70px, 70px. And then here we'll just push it over. We're going to push it over 100px. What? 30px? 25px. Okay. Same story, but this time it's going to be, I don't know, 200px, 250, 240, 230, 125, 175, 200, and 5. Okay, enter. So 454. If I do dash dash C for conic and then I add same story, dash dash R, I'll add the radial gradient all the way down here, copy, and then here instead of these I will do var dash dash R. Okay, I broke something. 402. Okay, so get that can go. Nope. All comma spaces, all colon spaces, all tabs. Wait, oh, there we go. Wrong key. And then get rid of that. Let's see what we're working with now. 299. Okay, 623. Compared to global stats. Okay. All right. Cool. I guess we're done. I don't know if conic gradient, I'm thinking these could have been kind of like elements with a border and then you just have two and the borders kind of overlap. But anyway, thank you guys for sticking around, especially till the very end. It means a lot. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye-bye.